Have you ever wondered how people like Alex Hormozi can literally be sleeping on the floor at 26 and then over the next few years become a best-selling author, world-renowned speaker, and most importantly, a multi-millionaire? Well, I analyzed some of the most successful entrepreneurs, and I started to notice this one skill surfacing to the top. And in 2025 and beyond, I believe this one skill is practically going to be a non-negotiable if you want to grow and scale your business as fast as possible. And at a smaller scale, I've been able to leverage this same skill to generate millions for the companies I have worked for and multiple six figures within my own business. So in today's video, I'm going to cover what this skill is, why it's so powerful, and the best resources to implement it into your business. So what is this amazing, powerful skill that I speak of? Well, I first came across this skill back in 2016. I had just graduated from college, and at this time, I was really trying to figure out what I really wanted to do with my life. I had completely given up trying to become a professional musician, and I knew I had to find a real job or find a real way to make money. So one day I was scouring the internet trying to figure out all the ways you can make money online when I stumbled across the concept of drop shipping. Now, this was during the golden age of drop shipping where teenagers were making millions selling dog toys. During this time, you could practically sell anything and get rich. And if I'm being honest with you, I'm really mad that I didn't take advantage of this time more, but I digress. Now, the concept of drop shipping is a really great business model, even till this day. But this means absolutely nothing if you aren't able to get people to your online store in the first place. So I knew there was a missing piece to the puzzle that I wasn't just yet grasping. And this is where I started to do a little bit of digging to try to figure out how these kids were getting massive amount of traffic to their website. And this is when I discovered that most of these drop shippers were heavily leveraging paid ads. Also, I started to read stories of how entrepreneur Gary Vee really used Google Ads to help transform his dad's wine store into a $60 million wine empire by the age of 34. So I knew this was a skill that I really needed to learn ASAP. But then I started to think about, why do these paid ads work so well compared to other marketing strategies? I mean, the saying does go, there are multiple ways to skin a cat. Now, PETA, do not come after me. I did not come up with that saying at all. Well, you see, paid ads are so effective because they're kind of like putting up a billboard on a really busy highway. And if you live here in Florida, you can't miss all of the Morgan & Morgan billboards, even if you tried. Comment down below who dominates the billboard game in your state. With paid ads, you're placing your message right in front of thousands of people every day, making sure they see you even if they aren't looking for you. Without paid ads, your business is like a store on a random side street. People might stumble upon it, but only by chance, or if they're actively searching for you. Paid ads is all about positioning your brand in high traffic areas so you capture the attention and draw in customers more quickly than relying solely on word of mouth or organic discovery. Okay, so right now I'm reading your mind and you're saying, Tonio, I never click on ads. I hate ads with all my being. And trust me, even as an ads guy, I hate ads too. And if we're being honest, most people hate ads, yet they're still highly effective. How can this be? Well, have you ever just thought of something and feel like you've seen an ad for that product right on your phone? Well, it's not magic or voodoo, it's data. Companies like Google and Facebook have millions upon millions of data points of what you like and what you don't like and what they think you would probably be interested in. They honestly know you better than you do, which is kind of scary when you think about it. And on top of that, AI has gotten so good now that they know what product to put in front of you that will have the highest chance of you making a purchase. And businesses use this to their advantage. And if you're smart, you will use this for your business as well. Now, speaking of AI, using TxtCart with your paid ad strategy can be a complete game changer. Who is the sponsor of today's video? Let's face it, AI is here and now, and TxtCart leverages this technology to create personalized interactions with your customers so you can easily create champions for your brand and ultimately boost sales. TxtCart has literally everything you can need from an SMS platform with one-click automations, no-code pop-ups for your website, cart recovery flows, and they have an AI assistant to help you with your campaigns. I mean, what more can you really ask for? TxtCart has given me a free 14-day trial link for you to use to sign up. Plus, right now they're giving away $1,000 in credits, and they have a 10x return on investment guarantee, or you do not pay. So again, if you would like to check out TxtCart, the link will be in the description down below. So moving forward, at this point, you know that paid ads is a very valuable skill, but you may not know how to get started. Well, first off, you don't have to learn paid ads if you don't want to. There are plenty of agencies that will run your ads for you. Typically, these agencies will charge you a fee plus your advertising budget, or if they're a relatively new agency, they won't charge you a fee at all, but they may ask for a percentage of your profits that they bring in. Now, this is a great approach, especially if you want to be completely hands-off. You can still get great results this way, but the only downside is that you'll have to have an additional expense to hire people to run ads for you. Now, I will say the issue with this is that sometimes it is hard to decipher between a bad or good agency if you don't know what to look for. And you can definitely lose a lot of money if you don't pick the right agency. So I would recommend that you take the time to learn paid ads for yourself. The most valuable platforms that I recommend that you start with is Google Ads and Facebook ads. And then from there, if you want to learn other social media platforms like TikTok, go right ahead. At least with learning Google ads and Facebook ads, you have a really good foundation for you to understand how most ad platforms work, because most ad platforms either work off of Google ads or some variation of Facebook ads. Now, there are tons of free resources to help you learn Google ads and Facebook ads. Now, personally on my channel, I have a lot of videos on Facebook ads if you want to check them out. But also Facebook provides their own guidelines, courses, study guides, literally everything that you need with Facebook ads. And the same thing goes for Google. Google has a lot of courses on Google ads, like the whole suite. So whatever you need, there's something for free already out there, whether that's on Google or Facebook's website or on YouTube. But there's plenty of things that can help you learn these platforms without you having to spend a dime. Now, at this point, you understand the one skill that can make your business millions, but you still have one big problem. If you don't understand this next concept, no amount of paid ads can overcome this issue. And in this video right here, I share with you what this problem is and how to fix it.